Smo is our 3-legged 17-year-old kitty cat who we just found out has cancer on her lip. So we don't know how long she's going to be around with us. It can be months or longer, hopefully. But Samoa, what are we going to do? We're going to do a bucket list? A kitty bucket list? We've already decided you're off your diet, huh? She's a little chunky because she's got my husband trained to give her treats, so she's nicer. So Samoa, we're going to go do your bucket list and do your story about how you lost your leg, about all your little crazy adventures.